Hey, what's up, YouTube? So you see my hair is out of the way, my face is clean because of this. This is the look I'm going for today. If you recognize this screenshot, then you've totally been watching HBO's Euphoria. This character's name is Jules, played by Hunter Schafer, and in real life and in the show, she has the best fucking makeup. So today I'm gonna try to do that blue rectangular thing. So yeah, before I do any makeup, of course, you gotta moisturize and prime up that whole face. You know what I'm saying. Y'all know what y'all doing. And then I'm just gonna speed through my eyebrows. We're just speeding through the face because we're gonna focus on this square, rectangular, glittery eyeshadow. Now, my main theory I'm gonna try out for this is to go ahead and create that square rectangular shape with concealer and a flat ass brush. Pat, 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 pat. Pat, 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 pat. Really trying to use the flattest brush in my collection to get the sharpest corners I can. And now I'm layering on pretty much every blue I can find. I don't really have a decent royal blue, so I'm mixing up a bunch of shit. I'm gonna name all my products down below. But as we go on, you can see that if you fuck up in any way, concealer is your eraser. So I'm using my angled brush here to try to clean up the corners as much as I can. Okay, all right, it's looking all right. So I guess I did it so far. I definitely could use a little more practice, but it'll do for now. So it's time to move on to the glitter. To stick the glitter on, I am gonna pretty much do the same thing as a cut crease and throw some concealer right in the middle because I still want the inside and outside corners to be matte. I want all my glitter to be centered in the center. So for my glitter, I'm going to use 3 colors. I'm going to use the blue glitter, this gold at the bottom, and then this yellow at the top to kind of make everything pop a little bit more. And once you're done patting the shit out of that, you're pretty much good. I do like this look. I think it could be a little bit cleaner, but it is hard making something square on something round. So I'm just gonna throw on the rest of my face and let's take a look at the final. All in all, I do love this look. It is very simple, well, simple enough as far as execution goes. Thanks you guys so much for watching. I hope you try it out yourselves, and I hope you guys check out Euphoria. I am on my way to salsa, so bye!